Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. We are here once again with, cover up the license plate, the CLK320. Still loving the car until I ran all the codes on it. But today we're shooting out of sequence. I actually shot all of the video for this first, and I'm doing the first part last. So I know what's happened, and it's a good thing. And you probably want to stay tuned, because not only do we get rid of a whole bunch of error codes, we're replacing a body part. Monkey Wrench Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
All right, it's a big day for the CLK. Yep, super big day for the CLK because we're fixing that. Yep, we finally got the new Fender. Hopefully that's what's inside the box right there. And that's Millie right there, who's now become a haven for car parts. And I hate to say that. But anyway, so this is the box we got. We ordered this from, where did it come from? Garage Man Store, Sacramento, California. I've ordered lots of parts from this guy. Super nice guy. I also have this. What could this ever be? You know what this is? Long and skinny. What are we missing? Well, it's the door sill. Okay, so let's unbox this, let's unbox that, and see what we got. I say this all the time. Isn't she lovely? She should go that way. Ha! Anyway, yeah, look at this. This is in really good shape, Mr. Garage Man. Thank you look, you can see me. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, cost, I want to say, I don't want to say. I don't remember. I'll have to add it up. And this is for the passenger door sill. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that great? Okay. So what we're going to do, and you know, you guys have been with me for many, many years, well, 2 years, and replacing the fender is literally one of the easiest things that you can do for a car, because it's literally 1, 2, 3, 4, perhaps 5 bolts. There's a bracket right here that goes underneath here, and there's a screw that kind of holds it together. They were kind enough to include it on this car. Okay, see, there it is. That's your bracket right there. See? And you get a screw that kind of holds it together. You have 2 on the bottom, so we'll have to remove the rocker panel, or part of the rocker panel, then bend it down, and you've got 2, they go, usually 2 that go in just through there, through the door, okay? Super easy to do, so let's open the hood. Let's take off this junky one, this old jankety one. Let's put on a pretty one. And that, my friends, is how you make a car look brand new. Isn't that much better? I haven't even washed it yet, okay? We just got to make careful that the gaps are the same here. We tightened the 2 there, 1, 2, 3, 4 across the top. There's 1 at the top there, and that special bracket screw right there with like a T25, I think, bolt that goes right through it, all right? And I think that is a win, 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 okay? So now we're going to try to clear the codes, and then we're going to see if we can get the console and some of the other buttons to work. But that is a win. We're back inside the car now, and why my fancy launch system, which I continually love even more and more, is running, I thought I would check out the overhead console. So I popped it down. I may have found some of our problems. Nothing's plugged in. Look, that's off. That's off. Little blue guy is off. Purple guy's off. White guy is off. Look at all this. Look at this mess. I hope this is just the problem, okay? Look at that. Look at all that. Could it be? Okay, let's get this all plugged in, and I'm going to see what the problem is. And we're going to say a little prayer and hope for the best. Hopefully this will solve a lot of our problems right here. We got a partial hallelujah. A partial hallelujah. Okay, so we have this all plugged back in, and watch. How do you like them apples? Okay, I still get an error code because it's not normalized. I got to grease my sunroof. I got to grease my sunroof. Everything else seems to be working. See? Look at that. And I have just 2 messages here, SRS and the breakware, not a big deal. And I've rerun the code on my fancy code reader, and I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. We've gone from 109 to 10. Okay, so we have ESP, and I've already emailed myself this report right here. Okay, it's old terminal 30, under voltage at terminal 30, SRS. That's why the light is illuminated. The component or the signal line to the component S68-4 passenger side seat belt buckle restraint system has open circuit. Overhead control panel, this is the roof. Sunroof not normalized, I apologize. I just changed the tire and put on the fender. Haven't really washed my hands. Rear signal acquisition module, fault in communication with the component, the alarm system. I'm not worried about that. And the steering column. Push button for the fanfare horns is defective. Yep, I agree with that. Windshield washer system is defective. There's nothing coming out. Oh, here we go. Well, that seems to work. Okay, we'll take that as a win. And the wipers are even good. Scroll forward, back push button is defective. I agree. You push this, it doesn't do anything. Okay, even if I clear these. Okay, here we go. Service peak seated. Check washer fluid level, 86 degrees. But if I push this, nothing happens. You don't go page by page to check a lot of the parts of the car. Okay, so there's a unit that runs under here. This side works. This side does not. So I'm going to have to order one of these. It's not the airbag, it's just the buttons right here, I think. Not a major setback. Not a major setback at all. We've ordered a part for the glove box. Okay, it's not that part of the latch. It's the latch that goes right in here. So you can get one for over $100 on Mercedes. But I found another one on eBay and it was much less expensive. So we're going to go with that. Oh, and I do have an air conditioning error. Yep, my footwell flap is stiff. My flap is still stiff. So we're going to kind of rummage around here and see what's going on with that. But all in all, she's coming back to life very, very well. So what we're going to do now is put on our door sill, so she looks all nice and pretty when the passenger gets inside. All right, when it comes to the little trim piece right here, you have these 4 little clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. They go into the 4 little slots right there. And then on the end, you have just a little tab that kind of slides into a little hole right there. Okay, there's one at the front as well. The hardest part, because the tab was stuck in there, was getting it out and then removing the tab from the little hole. But I think I've got it. So what we're going to try to do is get this together. Well, I just couldn't show you. But anyway, boom, boom, it's on, it closes, it looks great, and it's a nice addition to the car. Love All right, that. There you have it. Once again, the CLK320 continues to impress me. The fender is looking gorgeous. Look at that. She is looking gorgeous. We also use a little vacuum right there to clean her out a little bit. We're going to continue to focus on this car, and that car, and that car, and that car, and eventually we'll get to Millie, because I don't want to leave her out of the mix. Anyway, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching the videos, folks. I'm continuing to get more of those requests for the stickers, which is great. I have a lot of them. We're going to have to go back to the circle ones, not the cutouts, because I'm running out of the cutouts due to demand. But anyway, you get a sticker. Send me a little $3 right here on Cash App. Include your address, and we'll get the stickers out to you ASAP. Once again, don't forget, we have Monkey Wrench Mike merchandise below. All right, that's going to do it for now. We'll see you again very, very soon, folks. Thanks for watching. Bye.